Scrub off. To clean or remove something by rubbing it hard with a brush, cloth, or hand. She scrubbed off the stains from the floor. He scrubbed off the dirt from his car windows. Dust off. To remove dust from a surface. Can you dust off the shelves? They look dirty. He dusted off the window before opening it. Wipe up. To clean or remove liquid, dirt, or spills from a surface. Please wipe up the water you spilled. She wiped up the milk from the table. Wipe down. To clean a surface completely by rubbing it with a cloth, sponge, or paper. Please wipe down the table after eating. She wiped down the mirror with a cloth. Wash off. To remove dirt, dust, or stains from something with water. I need to wash off the mud from my shoes. He washed off the blood from his hand. Please wash off the vegetables before cooking. Wash up. To clean your hands, face, or body with water and soap. To clean dishes or kitchen utensils. Wash your hands before dinner. Can you wash up the dishes after lunch? Sweep up. To clean the floor using a broom. Please sweep up the dust from the floor. He swept up the broken glass from the floor. Dry off. To remove water or moisture from something, usually by wiping or air drying. She dried off her hair with a hairdryer. Please dry off your hands before eating. Dry out. To become completely dry after being wet, or to remove deep moisture. I left my shoes in the sun to dry out. If you don't water the plants, they will dry out. The ground will dry out after the rain stops. Plug in. To connect a device to an electrical outlet or another device so it can work. Can you plug in the charger for me? She plugged in the TV and turned it on. Mop up. To clean up a liquid or mess using a mop or cloth. Please mop up the water on the floor. She mopped up the juice from the table. Rinse off. To wash something quickly with water to remove dirt, soap, or other substances. She rinsed off the fruit before eating it. Please rinse off the cups before using them. Hang up. Put something on a hook or hanger. Don't throw your clothes on the bed, hang them up. Hang up your jacket in the closet. Burn out. To stop working because of overuse, used for machines or electrical items. The heater burned out because I forgot to turn it off. The coffee machine burned out this morning. Tidy up. To clean or organize a place by putting things in their proper places. Please tidy up your room. You should tidy up your bed every morning. Throw away. To get rid of something by putting it in the trash. We should throw away things we don't need. Don't throw away the water bottle, we can refill it. Clear out. To remove things from a place to make it empty. I will clear out the fridge and wipe it down. She cleared out her closet today.